Hi everybody, it's Cocktail Tony here. I got some beer battered fish from Costco, and whenever I go to Costco, I like to get fish. So today I got the beer battered cod, and I'm gonna put this in the air fryer and we're gonna see how it turns out. So stay tuned. Okay, now I'm gonna make some tartar sauce. I'm gonna put some mayonnaise and some of this famous Dave's pickle relish. It's really spicy. So I put a teaspoon of mayonnaise and a teaspoon of famous.
Tablespoon.
That's a teaspoon.
Okay.
That's a tea. I drink tea with this.
Oh, do you? Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then I mix it up, and that's my homemade tartar sauce. And now for my fish. Here you go, fish and chips. I got the spicy tartar sauce. I got the spicy ketchup. I got the spicy fries. Man, this is a spicy meal. And I'm going to give it a taste test right now and see how it is. And then I'm going to say sayonara, folks. That's awesome. Cheers, y'all.